Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2015 Yamaha Bolt 950 R Spec. This motorcycle has just under 1,300 miles on it and will be going through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. Tires on this bike are in great shape because of the low miles. This bike is pretty much all stock, other than they have added a passenger seat, passenger backrest, and passenger pegs. This bike normally comes as a solo setup. So I have not found any tip over, lay down damage, anything like that, but I did find one good scratch on the airbox here. Same with the rear tire, plenty of tread left on that, good looking. And again, our passenger backrest, passenger seat, and passenger pegs. Alright, show you those miles now. 1234 is what's on it. This 2015 Yamaha Bolt 950 R Spec is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it will be going through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.